Hey guys, so welcome, and this is how to recover Outlook deleted emails. So guys, from here, as you can see, for example, I am going to delete this email right here. So I'm gonna select delete, and now if you don't know, in order for you to recover it, you have to go to the deleted items over here on the left side of the screen. Now here, as you can see, this is the email that we just have deleted earlier, and you can just simply select it, and after that you can just simply select restore, and when you select restore, it will go back to where you have deleted it, so it will be still on the same location even if you've put it on a specific folder. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching. And remember that the items in this folder on the deleted items will be only 30 days, and after that it will be permanently deleted.